Good afternoon, good afternoon, class. Welcome back to our science class. This is teacher LM, and for this afternoon, we are going to continue our lesson. All right, so this morning we studied about sense of hearing. So again, class, sense of hearing. Ears are in charge of collecting sounds, processing them, and sending sound signals to your brain. And ears has three different sections. Those are the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. So penna or auricle, that is the outer ear, and its job is to collect sounds. The middle ear or the good vibrations, this the job of this one is to process the sound from penna and transfer it to the inner ear. Okay, the last part of the ear is the inner ear or the nerve signals start here. So when the sound reaches the cochlea, the vibrations or the sound cause the hairs on the cells to move, creating nerve signals that the brain understands as sound. So in this part here in the inner ear, this is the last part of the sound that it will goes to the our brain. Okay, so this afternoon we're going to study about the sense of smell. Okay, so we use our sense of smell or our nose to smell fragrance and odor. All right, class. So sense of smell, your nose let you smell, and it's a big part of why you are able to taste things. The nose is also the main gate to the respiratory system, your body system for breathing. All right, class. So our nose has a big impact to our taste and to our respiratory system. That's why we need to wear mask in time in COVID. Okay, so there are 7 types of sensation. Okay, the first one is camphor, 2 is musk, 3 flower, 4 mint, and 5th ether, and 6 and 7 are acrid or full read. Okay? All right. So the sense of smell is sometimes lost for a short time when a person has a cold. In addition to being the organ for smell, the nose also cleans the air we breathe and impacts the sound of our voice. Again, class, the sense of smell is sometimes lost for a short time when a person has a cold. So if a person has a fever, so your sense of smell will be affected. Okay? Sometimes you cannot smell good or bad because you're having a cold. And in addition, so to being the organ for smell, the nose also cleans the breath, okay? Our air breath sometimes, okay? So, and impacts the sound of our voice. So sometimes if you are not feeling well, your voice changes, right? It's because of um, something is wrong with our nose, all right? So this is our nose, right? A smiling nose. It means it's healthy. Okay, so there are the nose parts, class. Okay, so the first part is the nostrils. So nostrils, the two holes in our nose. So as what you see, these two holes in our nose are called, is called nostrils. Okay, nostrils. So septum, a wall separated the nostrils and the nasal passages. So septum, class, a wall separated the nostrils and the nasal passages. So I'm going to show you the parts of the nose. Okay, this one, septum, right? A wall separated the nostrils and the nasal. So this one here, okay, that is the septum, okay? Cartilage, which is a flexible material that's firmer than skin or muscle. So this one you can see there is a cartilage here, a soft part of our nose. So nasal cavity is behind your nose in the middle of your face and it connects the back of the throat. So as what you see, there is a nasal cavity there, okay? Then palate, it separated the nasal cavity from the inside of your mouth. So this is the palate. All right, so let's look at here the parts of the nose. We have olfactory bulb. It's this one. Nasal cavity, which is the back part of your throat. The nostrils and the hard palate and the soft palate. All right, so these are the parts of your nose. Okay, class, that would be all for this afternoon. We will continue our lesson about sense of smell tomorrow. Okay, have a good day.